Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 26. Which of the following statements about a mixture of protein digesting enzyme and starch solution will be correct? The protein digesting enzyme A has no effect on the starch solution, B leads to the production of amino acids, C leads to the production of glucose, D digests the starch. So we are asked what will happen if you have a protein digesting enzyme and a starch solution mixed together. Now, enzymes, of course, are biological catalysts that affect, usually, they speed up the rate of biochemical reactions. So what will happen if you have an enzyme for protein mixed together with a starch solution? Now, one of the characteristics of enzymes is that enzymes are specific. So because enzymes are specific, amylase, for example, which is a starch digesting enzyme, amylase, which is a starch digesting enzyme, will only act on starch. And where you have, let's say, lipases, okay, which are lipid digesting enzymes, they will only act on lipids. So from the trend that we have established here, enzymes specific for one particular food class will only digest that food class. So if a protein digesting enzyme is put together with a starch solution, the protein digesting enzyme will have no effect on the starch solution. So option A, has no effect on the starch solution, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.